Crucial skincare tips. Let's begin. First, start off with the oil-based cleanser, then followed by a double cleanser. You really want to make sure that you're getting rid of all the gunk on your skin. Next, apply a thin, even layer of clay mask. This can be used as an exfoliant, and let it sit on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes, and then use a clean washcloth that is warm to wipe it away. Next, use a toner. Toner is important. It is to help the skincare to bring back to its pH level. Make sure you apply 2 to 3 drops on the cotton pad, and then gently wipe all over on your face, then down to your neck and décolleté. Make sure to get your décolleté. It is the most forgetful area for the skincare. Also, make sure to get your upper lip. It is the most forgetful place for your toner. Next, you want to apply an even layer of moisturizer. Apply it all over your face, including past your jawline, to your neck, and to your décolleté. The neck is the most forgetful place along with the décolleté. You want to make sure that you get those moisturized and even. Be sure to be very delicate and gentle on your neck area because it shows the most visible signs of aging. Next, apply an under-eye cream. Be very gentle and use the fingertips of your ring finger. Next, you want to apply a sunscreen. Make sure you apply it all over your face, to your neck, and to your décolleté as well. Be sure to apply a sunscreen on your face before you go outside. Apply 10 to 15 minutes prior when you go out to the sun. You want to avoid any damages to your skin, such as sunburn. This is optional. You may apply a facial oil. This can be done in the morning or night. This will act as a great substitute to make your skin glow, healthy, and luminous. Be very gentle and apply all over your face, down to your neck and décolleté. In conclusion, skincare routine is very important. You can incorporate in the morning or nighttime. However, I find that at nighttime works best, since when you're sleeping, the products really works into your skin for better and best results. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.